Hey guys, how are you? I wanted to come on and just do some makeup stuff, some stuff that doesn't feel as heavy and is just good vibes. I appreciate all the good feedback I got on my last video. It means the world to me. I've been vlogging more and dealing with a lot with the doctors, and some of that will be up soon, but I wanted to jump in to some Boxy the premium spoilers that we had. Two of these are actually the choices is pretty much what I'm getting at. So we're going to take a look at this guy right here, unbox it, take a look at the colors. This is the, wow, it's really reflective and hard to see in that, so I'm going to open it up for you. This, if you hear my dog in the background, she's moving all around. This is the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette. That was choice. And this guy right here is the Fenty Beauty. It's the How Many Carats, and it is called Diamond Bomb. So it's an all over veil. So we're going to talk about both of these right here, get the breakdown of them so you know either which way you got it, how you could use it, what colors are in here. I did do this eye look using the palette, so we'll actually open her up. I used this palette, and then on the inside I did use the glitter bomb. So this is the palette. Beautiful colors, love this. It's a great spring palette, and we'll just go over some of the colors. So it has, as you can see, some beautiful golds, some browns. You can do neutral looks. This is like a mauvey, almost maroon mauvey color. This is a deep purple / brown color. The reflection, because of the way that the packaging is, makes this really hard. This is a really pretty silver, obviously great neutral colors. Purples, we've got light pinks, and then these teals, purples, and shimmers are everything to me. So as you'll see, this is the palette. It has a ton of colors. It does have a full mirror. It is a snap closure. It's a hard plastic palette. And let's dive into some colors. So the first color is going to be Cosmic, which is what it looks like on my finger. I don't know why everything's so reflective right now. There we go. That is Cosmic. The second color is Utopia. So it is a matte peach formula. This color is gorgeous. This color is Ultra Violet right there. And then this next really pretty purple glitter color is called Nebula right here. So we're just going to place them one swipe. Really going on nicely. And this one is going to be the true test because it's a glitter shade. That's beautiful. That'd actually be really beautiful on the top of the color right next to it. So then I am going to use a halo to wipe my hands off. We're going to keep going down the row, check out each color. I'll tell you what's on my eyes, and then we're going to go play with the Diamond Bomb. So let my hand dry real quick. Again, I love you all. Thank you for the support on the last video. I just wanted to get on, play with some makeup, and let you guys know I'm doing okay right now, and I'll get you guys caught up with the medical stuff, but we're just going to play. Okay, so the next color I'm going to dive into is this beautiful Mercury color. Oh, that's pretty. That would have been perfect for a dress that I wore. Sorry, this is Mercury. This color right here is Haze. The next color is called Off Balance, that pretty pink right there. And then Galaxy is right there. So we're going to do one swatches of those as well. Beautiful color. I love this color. I have done looks with this before. You can go back in my videos and see I've done looks with that color before. And then, so the shimmers are absolutely beautiful. Even the like just glitter colors, like these ones right here, are beautiful. But the shimmers, if I can get it to just pick up that, there we go. And then the mattes really work nicely as well. I have two different mattes on the eyes as well as the shimmers. and they blend really nice. I would say that they're not powdery at all. They're not the creamiest I've ever worked with, but they're definitely like a nice in between and easy to blend out. So once they're stuck, you're not gonna have to like break your arm trying to blend anything. Super easy, and you can actually blend away, but you can also build up. So that's nice. Let's see, what did I go into last? Galaxy. So we're gonna go into Libra, which is the color I have on my eyes right now, just a regular plain matte. And then I have, let's see, this is called Crash. It's a perfect like neutral color. Then we've got Momentum, which is a perfect base start color transition. Then we've got Super Moon, which is like, Huda has these like, I don't know if you guys can see as much as you can in the other palettes, but it's like a pearlescent style that you kind of mix together, and it comes in really like not glittery, but I'll show you guys. So let's put these all on, and then I'll kind of, once I get it on, we'll be able to really explain to you. And then this is going to be it right here. So it's really creamy, and it's just like straight glitter. So it's like just one wash of glitter. And she has a couple of those in other palettes. So if you know what I'm talking about, you know what I'm talking about, those of you that do own her palettes. So we're going to get into the final row, and then we'll talk a little bit about what I have on my eyes and the other eye looks I've done in the past with this before. So we're going to go into Vortex, Hot Mess, Supernova, and then the last one right here is Karma. Then we've got two more shimmers to go. So as you can see, some mattes, a shimmer, and another matte. This is where I'm horrible at swatching, and it starts to get like wickedly just ran down my arm in different places. So this is what we're looking at right now. Beautiful colors. Absolutely love this palette. I was obsessed with this palette. I'm excited to be getting it in like the premium fully, but this palette has always been one that was on my radar when I first got into makeup, and now this color right here I'm obsessed with. Okay, so these are the last two colors. Sorry, this is going to be it's literally called Gold Glitch, and this one is called Frazzled. So this is Gold Glitch. We're gonna put it right here. Beautiful color. Now this is the one that is so cool to me, and this is Dazzle. Now it's really hard to see. It just looks like a clear wash of gold, but I'm wondering if I can get it where it has like a reflective blue to it at times, like a it's really hard to see. It's got like blue glitter in it. Maybe it's a reflective like green blue. It's kind of hard to pick. So what I have on my eyes right now is I have this color right here was throughout. Then I went inside right here, this color right here, to darken it out, and then went on top of my eyes with, where did I go? This color right here, wetted a little bit and used those colors. So this is the full palette. This is what you guys are going to be getting in your premium box. It has so many like neutral looks. You can do play up the pink looks. You can play up the purple looks. There's so many things you can do. Pink glitters, you've got purple glitters, you've got blue glitters, you've got purple blue, you've got peach, you've got bronzes, browns, grays, like you can, silvers, you can do it all with this palette. Like this is one of my favorite palettes. It probably is easily my favorite palette altogether to look at and get ideas from. So there's so many different things, and it is like an amazing spring palette if you're a purple or pink girl. Great for Valentine's Day looks like we have right now. So like I just said, with the colors I did, I put it all over. I used some on the outside, brought it in off into the crease a little bit. I placed the pink color down, and this is where we're going to get into this beauty right here. This is the All Over Diamond Balm, and it is in the color How Many Carats. So it comes in this packaging, and then it comes in this gorgeous packaging. How Many Carats on the back, and we're going to open her up, and I was absolutely in love at first sight. So what you can use it for is, let's play for a little bit. As you saw, this is what it looks like. I did take my finger, swipe, and place it on top of that beautiful pink color I had. You can also take a highlighting brush, just dab a little And that is so beautiful. And I already have some highlight on, but watch this. Just kind of over, like how much just touching there. I also got to get up in here too. Absolutely beautiful. So I am going to do a full swatch of this as well, just so you can kind of see, and then I'm going to show you how I used it last night as well. So just giving you guys some ideas, having some fun, decompressing, playing with some makeup. This is what this video is about, guys. Unboxing the 2 choice items for this month coming up that you guys are going to get in your boxes. So this is a full swatch of this. I'll just go like this. This is what it looks like on, and then we'll just place it right here. Do you guys see that? Oh, it is gorgeous. So what I did yesterday was I dove into one of my boxes, brushes like this. I just went like that, this a couple times, and then I actually like did this and brought it down here. So I don't know if you'll be able to see, but like, yeah, you can see it's actually reflective, especially if you bring it onto the collar bones. Oh, not me bringing it onto my shirt though. All right, let me see if I can get a good view of it. Oh my gosh, I can't tell if you guys can see this or not looking at it on the viewfinder, but it's beautiful to use as like an all over glitter. I can see it a ton. I don't know if you guys can. Let's just try a little bit if you guys can see it. So I would love to use this during the summer. You could always, like I said, on the collarbones. I brought it up my neck. You could definitely go down your arms and use it. I absolutely love the glitter bomb. I also know that you could have got it in your FabFitFun, so if you did grab it, you're gonna love it. I think it was a different color there. But yeah, just wanted to hang out for a couple of minutes, talk to you guys, let you know I'm doing okay. Thank you for all the support you guys gave me on all of my social medias, the messages, the telling me to keep posting, the views, the shares, just the positive words. And I'm gonna go more into that story. It's been a rough week, so I just wanted to plan some makeup. So this is me like unboxing and showing you guys, reviewing it, and just like giving you guys some ideas on how you'll be able to use it, that highlighter, how you'll be able to use it when you grab it this month. So I'm sending you guys also much love back, and I am very thankful for you all. I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you guys as soon as my boxies get in. Enjoy this palette when you do get it. It's absolutely gorgeous. And that Diamond Bomb, you will not be let down by that one either. All right, I love you guys very, very much, so much, and I will see you on the next day. Bye, guys.